I'm David Gilardi, and welcome to DS201 DataStax Enterprise Foundations of Apache Cassandra. Most likely, you came to Apache Cassandra because of its scalability, reliability, and always-on capabilities. This course will help you understand how Cassandra delivers on those promises and guide you through how to get things up and running. It's just like learning how to drive a car. You have to learn how to fill the gas, open the door, and start the engine before you can drive the car. Then, once we learn how to get the car moving, we'll take a look under the hood and explore what makes Cassandra scream. Here are the course objectives. We'll explore the Killer Video domain and look at some of the problems the Killer Video project is having with its current relational implementation. We'll learn how to install and start Apache Cassandra, create tables, store and retrieve data, and then explore the Cassandra data model. Out of all these points, the one that is probably the most important is the Cassandra data model. Cassandra focuses on how data is stored, and this is where Cassandra attains most of its speed. That structure affects how we query Cassandra, and we'll talk more about that later. We'll also take a look at understanding the Cassandra architecture. Instead of just storing and retrieving random data and using abstract examples, we needed some domain to use, so we created a video sharing application called Killer Video, because the world needs yet another video sharing website. Killer Video is the fictitious domain we use throughout all of our courses. All of our examples and exercises assume you are working for our company, Killer Video. The Killer Video domain has several features we see listed here. Most notably, Killer Video not only stores licensed content, but also user-generated content as well. Users can either consume Hollywood-type movies or upload videos of their cat. Totally up to you. There are other typical video sharing features such as parental controls, searching, and also tracking where users left off while watching a video. At Killer Video, we found too much success too early and are frantically trying to keep up with growth. Because everyone is totally leaving all of the existing video sharing websites for Killer Video. Users constantly push and consume content, comment, like, and search. The Killer Video team needs a simple mechanism to store and retrieve this content, which continues coming at a fast pace. Currently, Killer Video uses a relational database. However, this leader-follower architecture causes a single point of failure when the database crashes. Killer Video also found that scaling the relational database is doable, but painful along with being a maintenance nightmare. Users on the other side of the world experience lag on the site simply because of their geographical location. Ideally, the Killer Video team could store their data in both the Eastern and Western hemispheres so all users can enjoy a pleasant viewing experience. Apache Cassandra uses a peer-to-peer leaderless architecture instead of a leader-follower architecture. No one node is special compared to another, and nodes can be added to scale cluster performance, storage, and reliability. This also allows for easy replication to different geographic areas to bring data closer to clients.